Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be modeling this fire hydrant completely inside Autodesk Maya. This is a beginner-friendly project that focuses on fundamental hard surface modeling techniques. Throughout the process, we'll primarily use simple tools such as Extrude, Insert Edge Loop, Multi-Cut, Circularize, and Bevel to create clean forms and smooth edges. We'll start by establishing the main proportions of the hydrant. Using simple primitives, we can quickly block out the overall silhouette and make sure it matches the reference. At this stage, I'm not focusing on details yet. The goal here is simply to capture the primary forms and overall scale. Once the proportions feel right, we can gradually refine the model. Insert Edge Loop is very useful at this stage to define sharper transitions. Now I'm working on the upper section of the hydrant. This area has a rounded cap shape, so I'll add supporting edge loops to control the curvature. By using extrusion and scaling, we can build a smooth dome while maintaining clean topology. Next, I'm refining the details around the upper housing. Keeping evenly spaced geometry here will help later when beveling edges. Simple techniques often produce the best results when combined with proper proportions. Feel free to pause, replay, and follow along at your own pace. Rather than adding unnecessary geometry, I'm placing edge loops only where additional support is needed. This helps maintain a cleaner mesh and keeps the model easier to edit. Moving down to the central body, I'm extending the main cylindrical section. Extrusion is doing most of the work here. By carefully adjusting edge positions, we can create the step design seen on the reference. Now I'm modeling the side connectors. These are created from basic cylindrical shapes and then refined through extrusion. Here I'm introducing additional edge loops and subtle bevels. Beveling is important because it softens sharp edges and improves the overall shading of the model. Even a small bevel can make the asset appear much more realistic. At this point, most of the structure is complete. Supporting loops are added to preserve the hard surface appearance. The key is to maintain symmetry while keeping the topology organized. Small details like these contribute significantly to the final look. Next, I'm working on the lower base of the hydrant. I'm now focusing on secondary details such as bolts, rings, and smaller components. These pieces may seem minor, but they help add complexity and realism to the final asset. It's always a good idea to keep checking the reference image throughout this process. As you can see, this asset was created using simple and beginner-friendly techniques. A little time spent refining edges can make a huge difference in the final presentation. And that's the complete fire hydrant model. With the modeling complete, I'm performing a final cleanup pass and beveling important edges. Beveling not only enhances the appearance but also improves highlights when rendering. Projects like this are a great way to practice hard surface modeling while building confidence in Maya. Keep practicing regularly, experiment with different shapes, and you'll notice steady improvement over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you'd like to see next.